Welcome to the 8th edition of the Happy Investing Show, where I answer all your questions about investments and insurance. Today, there's an interesting question on insurance from Nimai from Bangalore. His question is cashless option better than reimbursement? When you go to a hospital, you go and meet the insurance desk at the hospital. They share the estimation with the insurance company, and once it is approved, your admission is made without any advances. And when it comes to the final bill is shared with the insurance company again, and on approval, the final bill is paid and the person is discharged. Therefore, I strongly believe cashless is a good option. Moreover, there are a lot of these insurance companies that have negotiated the rates with many hospitals. In certain cases, it can be as low as 50%. In the sense, if the bill amount is 100 rupees for a walk-in customer, for the same amount, the bill can be 50 rupees for an insurance company. Therefore, the utility of your sum assured is also less. I would always prefer to go in for a cashless option to avoid the documentation, to avoid the running around with insurance companies, and I honestly believe you should also do so. Thank you for asking me this question. I hope I answered that. The second question is from Devik, who's also again from Bangalore. His question is, how much should be my life insurance cover? Thank you for asking me this question. Because I don't know your age, I am assuming you are between 35 to 40 years old. In my opinion, the coverage should be at least 20 times your annual income, and you should stagger it down as you grow older. The primary reason why I request you to stagger the insurance cover down as you grow older is because the financial worth of a person as he gets older keeps coming down, and therefore if you start with a 20x annual income as the cover, please start reducing it to 19, 18, 17 as you move forward towards your final retirement age. This will help you in two things. One, reduce the premiums. Two, it also helps you to cover yourself very high during the initial years and lower it down as you grow towards your retirement. Thank you for asking me this question, Devik. Please keep asking me more such questions. Till then, happy investing.